right. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. This may be the last vacuum video for maybe a week and a half. And the reason being is my wife and I are going to a business seminar that is about a week long. We are just making sure we stay on top of everything with our education and make sure that we are providing the best quality service to everybody. So my wife, she knows all the back office stuff, payroll and things like that. So her and I make a great team. And with that being said, this is going to allow her to more understand what I'm out here doing by learning the ins and outs of the carpet cleaning or service industry in general. Also help us to improve not only the stuff I do, but the back office stuff as well, teaching us tips and tricks on how to better serve everybody in that area too. So we'll be out of town for about five days doing that, and you know, we're very blessed that we're able to take that time away and better educate ourselves so we can improve not only ourselves but help our business grow in the right ways. So we're going out to get her certified, and it's called the IICRC certification. And I've already been certified in the past before we started this business about 5-6 years ago. The company I was at paid for us all to get certified. They had a teacher come out, and we spent 2 days working on that. Where this one I'm going to is 5 days, because it's not only just the carpet cleaning side, it's the business side of it too. So it's an additional 3 days of learning and growing, marketing and all that stuff to teach us all the best practices. So these videos are going to be cut short this next coming week. So I apologize for that, but it is for very good reasons. So I thank you so much for watching. That's why I wanted to do one last big vacuum video for you guys that enjoy those. So this is my last job, and then we leave later in the afternoon to take care of that class and go from there. So I thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing. I noticed there was like 7 or 8 new subscribers just overnight from the last time I checked. Thank you so much. If you're tuning in and you're one of those new ones, thank you. I really appreciate the support. There will be many more videos in the future. I plan on to be as consistent as possible. I know it seems like I'm doing probably an average of 2 to 4 videos every other day at least. I will try my best to keep around that frequency, maybe at least 2 or 3 a week. That way I can stay engaged with you guys and show you what we're up to and how everything is going. And, you know, hopefully if I can stay consistent like that, you guys will be able to sit there and watch my business grow and feel like, you know, you're a part of it, because you really are, because you are supporting me by subscribing to this channel and watching all the content that I've been putting out. And so, you know, at one point it's going to be even more beneficial to my family, because, you know, as you know, with YouTube, you can monetize videos and, you know, make a little income off of that. And so you're going to be supporting my family. You know, I have 3 young boys, 4 and under currently, at the time of this video. And so you're helping me with them. So that really means a lot. More than anything is providing for my boys and my wife. So that's really what pushed me into starting this business a few years back, outside of my original experience of almost 11 years in the cleaning industry. But when I had my first boy, it really changed me. Of course, most people do change in certain ways at better them, bring out the better side of them that was already there, but it just kind of ignited at that point. So, you know, I'm doing this stuff and I'm providing this for you guys, but also for my family, because between what I've accomplished so far and what can be accomplished in the future is going to make a better life for my boys and my wife. And that's the ultimate goal, and to provide a nice place for people to work in the future that want to do this type of work and enjoy it like I do. That's the goal for everything, is to have a fun place to work, something that you look forward to doing, and you know that you have an owner that cares as well. That's the other major reason why I left where I was at. I was there for way too long at this point, and you know, management and such like that just didn't care like they should, or, you know, or didn't put forth the effort to keep good employees around. And so that's what I am going to be focusing on more and more as time goes along, and I need somebody operating my van with me, or when I grow enough to get a second one and have somebody out there doing work for me, I want to know that I've taught them right and showed them how I'd like things to be done, and what also the standards of carpet cleaning require to do a good job and provide great customer service. So that's the other important reason for this 5-day class, on top of the other classes that I've already taken through the same company, and then also through a different company where I get my cleaning supplies from. They have an academy, Truck Mount Academy, if I remember saying that right, from Truck Mount Forums. I've spent so much money buying different cleaners to complete jobs and such that they were kind enough to give me their classes as a thank you. They sometimes run those specials where you get certain cleaners and they will provide you with their class, and you can go and, you know, freshen up your knowledge or learn something new. You know, I did. Robert Allen laid out a bunch of stuff and with his team in different videos, and it made me learn a few things, and it refreshed things in my mind that I already thought about, you know. And then there's things that if you've been in the industry long enough and you hear a true professional say it that's been in the industry for 2 or 3 times longer than you, and you're like, oh wow, I actually already do that and nobody's taught me that, you know, sometimes that feels good. So you know, just knowing that you're on the right path is the best thing ever. So again, thank you so much for watching. You have no idea what the support is doing, and what it's going to be doing in the future. So please feel free to leave a comment, your thoughts on what